Sorry, my...
What? Wait. Stop! Stop muna, stop.
Stop!
Stop muna tayo, stop.
Bakit labis kitang mahal na yan?
Dude, I was singing, you know?
I know! I'm gonna sing too!
You like, huh?
I'm gonna sing too! That's your movie, Leia. Bakit labis kitang mahal?
Yes, I realized that was our movie. And?
Oh, why am I not singing? You know, it was as simple as this. Eh? It was one quiet day. I get a text from this young lady. And then I give her a call. And she asked me, Ags, you guest naman in my show. Oh, show. PICC. Why not? Leia, you're talking about singing here. Let's go. I'm here.
I did ask you to be a guest
Yes.
on my show, but I didn't ask you to sing on my show.
Yeah, but di ba guest? Guest performer.
Well, you've been performing since you got here.
No, but they want to hear me sing. They're... I told you!
No, I think it's your children that want to hear you
Oh,
sing.
yeah, my kids! Ah, embarrassed pa my wife. Yeah, don't embarrass me, Leia. They know it's my concert.
Well, that's what you told them.
Yes.
That
Yes.
Charlene, he told
No.
them that it's
Yes.
his
They know it's
concert.
my concert. Stop na. Stop. It's okay now. Listen. Kasi...
I'm so sorry to disappoint you. You two are just so young.
No, they'll know now that she's my front act, okay? Remember that? Okay?
It's a very, very long opening act.
Yeah, kasi matagal ito. It started way back. Bakit labis kitang mahal? Soundtrack. I said, we did the movie, I said, Leia, include me naman in the soundtrack naman. Just song. The movie comes out with Ariel Rivera. Soundtrack comes out. Leia Salonga, Ariel Rivera duet. Leia, 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 Leia. No aga. But I get an award. Years later, we did Sana Maulit Muli. Mature na to mag-isip ngayon. Leia, include me in the soundtrack naman, just one song. Movie comes out, soundtrack comes out, Sana Maulit Muli, hit, Leia, all Leia, no, aga again. But I get an award again. I mean, you're a Tony Awardee. Come on, what can beat that, Leia?
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
What? Theater acting, movie acting, kompleto. But we're talking about singing here. Masyado ka na insecure sa akin, Leia. Let's go.
Okay, so you
What?
want to sing? Are you sure?
23 days akong nag-rehearse. Ano ka ba?
You sure about this?
Ikaw na mag-cue sa kapalit mo, di na marunong yan. Kaya na pa ako nag-cue dyan, mali-mali ang din
Sige,
lang.
halika, come here.
Okay, come
If you're really sure about this,
Yes.
you stand center stage with me.
Alright.
Sa gitna
Oh.
ng PICC with all of these beautiful people watching you.
Hi, guys. It's nice to see all of you here. Thank you.
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. Hit it.
Wow.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
All right, wait. Let me just brace myself for the impact. That is Agamula. Okay.
Here we go.
Start. Ready?
Wait,
Wait, I have to finish the song.
wait. Ano yan? Don't get too personal, Leia. It's just a show. Your husband is watching. Rob is here.
Yes, Rob is here.
Your husband, and my wife is here too.
And your wife is here.
Yes.
So I won't look at you na lang when I sing the line. How about that? Or do you want me to look
Is
at
that
you?
really part of the line? No. Wala, hindi yata kasama yun dun ah. Ano ka?
Moving on. Okay, let me sing.
Cute. Start mo lang. Mahal pa rin.
Mahal pa rin kita